What's up, everybody? I hope by God's grace you're all doing well. If you're new to this channel, I say a warm welcome to you. Welcome to the family. Alright, so today we are making a smoothie bowl. Very simple, not complicated. So the first ingredient is spinach, Greek yogurt. I love Greek yogurt. Some milk, frozen strawberry and pineapple, some chia seeds, and for the toppings we're going to use shredded coconut, tangerine, slices of kiwi, and some cacao nibs. I will also be adding my protein powders, collagen powders, and my peanut butter powder. Also, I'll show you all of them before I add them. So let's get started. All right, friends, to a blender you want to add some milk, chia seeds, frozen fruits. You can use any fruit. I'm using pineapple and strawberry. We're gonna add some spinach, just a handful. Greek yogurt, collagen powder, protein powder, peanut butter powder, at this point you want to close the blender and blend. Alright friends, our smoothie bowls are ready and let's enjoy. I hope you're going to head over to your freezer and make a smoothie bowl for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Be safe. God bless you. Bye.